Hello and good morning students and viewers. Dear students, welcome to this video lecture series. Dear students, as you know, we have covered the entire present tense. We studied present simple, present continuous, present perfect and then present perfect continuous tense. Today we shall have exercise based on present tense. Means we shall have exercise based on present simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. So dear students, this exercise is going to be very important from examination point of view. So please pay attention and have a look. Practice exercise based on present tense. She know me for 10 years. She know me for 10 years. वह मुझे 10 साल से जानती है. Got it? And the verb is know. Okay, and this verb know, it is never used in progressive tenses. Means it is not used in continuous tense, it is not used in perfect continuous tense. And see, she know me for 10 years. वह मुझे 10 साल से जानती है. Means till this moment it has been 10 years. Alright, 10 साल से जानती है. Got it? So before 10 years you met her, she met you, okay, and it has been 10 years till now. Okay, so somewhere it is connecting to present moment. Alright, so which tense shall we use? Here we will use present perfect tense. Alright, because it is connecting to now. Alright, and for present perfect we use have or verb third form or has and verb third form. So since she is there and she is the third person singular noun, with she we will use has. She has, no third form, no new noun. She has known me for 10 years. वह मुझे 10 साल से जानती है. Got it? Justice as well as mercy allow it. Justice means होता है न्याय, as well as mercy, इसके साथ ही साथ mercy means दया. Allow it. Justice as well as mercy. मर्सी के साथ साथ जस्टिस भी इसको अलाउ करता है. ऑलराइट, सो सी एज वेल एज वी कैनॉट टेक इट एज एंड. एज वेल एज डजंट मीन एंड. एज वेल एज इट इज एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन in addition to. Got it? So justice as well as mercy, जितना mercy इतना ही justice, allow it. So whenever two nouns are connected with as well as, the verb is used as per the first noun, that is the noun that is used before as well as. Here justice singular noun, okay, mercy that is also singular noun, so the verb will be singular. So but verb is according to this, the noun that is used before as well as. Okay, according to that noun we will use here verb. Justice as well as mercy. What will be? Present simple tense with third person singular noun we use first form with as and es, so it will become allows. Justice as well as mercy allows it. Justice as well as mercy allows it. Got it? If he run fast, he will catch the train. अगर वो फास्ट दौड़ेगा तो वो ट्रेन को पकड़ लेगा. See, will catch इधर प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस है. So अगर वो तेज दौड़ेगा तो क्या होगा? वो ट्रेन को पकड़ लेगा. ट्रेन को पकड़ लेगा, दैट इज द रिजल्ट क्लोज. कंडीशन क्या है? अगर वह तेज दौड़ेगा. कंडीशनल क्लोज जब भी इफ से शुरू होता है, जनरली वी डू यूज प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. ऑलराइट, प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस यूज करते मीन्स बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ऑलराइट, So if he run or runs, third person singular noun, that's why it will become runs. If he runs fast, he will catch the train. अगर वो तेज दौड़ेगा तो वो ट्रेन पकड़ लेगा. सो यहाँ पे if he will run नहीं होगा, because in conditional clause we always use present simple tense. All right, and here we added as runs. Why? Because he is third person singular noun. Got it? They often go to the picture on Saturdays. वे लोग often means प्राय, अक्सर, go to the picture on Saturdays. Saturdays में शनिवार को वो लोग पिक्चर जाया करते हैं. So they have developed this practice or this habit, this routine. So whenever we talk about some practice, regular practice, routine or habit, we always use present simple tense. All right. So they often, with they, third person but plural noun. So with plural noun we will use plural verb. So go, the first form of the verb, base form of the verb is always in it plural form. So we will use go as it is. They often go to the picture on Saturday. This often tells us the frequency. All right, this often tells us the frequency. It tells us that it is talking about present time. Got it? Everybody not succeed in life. हर व्यक्ति लाइफ में सफल नहीं होता है. So this is general truth or general talk. So everybody not succeed. For negative we use do not verb first form or does not verb first form. Everyone is the singular noun. That's why we will use here does not. Okay, and succeed as it is. Everybody does not succeed in life. हर व्यक्ति लाइफ में सफल नहीं होता है. Got it? You listen to what I say. See, pay attention. Okay, and look at this sentence. You listen to what I say and question mark. This is an interrogative sentence. You listen to, सुनते हो, what I say, जो कुछ मैं कहता हूँ या कह रहा हूँ. मैं जो कुछ भी कह रहा हूँ तुम सुनते हो, सुन रहे हो. You listen to what I say, जो कुछ भी मैं कह रहा हूँ तुम सुन रहे हो. जो कुछ भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ आप लोग सुन रहे हो. So I am talking about some action that is going on right now. I am teaching you, I am trying to make you understand. आप लोग मुझे सुन रहे हो. Got it? So are you listening to me? Present continuous tense. Are you listening to what I am saying? जो कुछ भी मैं कह रहा हूँ आप लोग सुन रहे हो. Are you listening? You are listening. आप सुन रहे हो. क्या आप सुन रहे? Are you listening? What I am saying. Got it? Next, please give me something to eat. प्लीज़ मुझे खाने के लिए कुछ दीजिए. I die with hunger. मैं तो भूख से मर रहा हूँ या मरता हूँ. मर रहा हूँ, प्लीज़ मुझे खाने के लिए दीजिए, मैं भूख से मर रहा हूँ. All right? So please give me something to eat. मैं भूख से मर रहा हूँ means you are starved badly. बड़ी तेज की भूख लगी है आपको. मैं तो बिना खाए मर रहा हूँ. Please help me. Please give me something to eat. So here you are talking about your present, this moment, what is happening with you. So you are saying that I am dying with hunger. खाने के लिए मुझे दो, मुझे भूख से, मैं भूख से मर रहा हूँ. Got it? A baby cry when it is hungry. एक बेबी रोता है जब वह भूखा होता है. जब उसे भूख लगती है वह रोता है. Action, reaction. Okay? Got it? Condition, result. जब भी बेबी को भूख लगती है वह रोता है. So baby cries. ये बेबी की हैबिट है. भूख लगती है, so he is not able to say or ask for food, and that's why he cries. वो रोता है. he built another house these days. These days means इन दिनों, nowadays. अभी इन दिनों क्या कर रहा है वो? He built another house these days. So these days is talking about something that is going on. So if it's something that is going on, that is continuous tense. So he is building another house these days. इन दिनों वो दूसरा घर बना रहा है. He is building. Got it? So see why we have used here present continuous tense, because these days, in dino, it talks about what is happening these days. In dino क्या हो रहा है? So क्या हो रहा है in dino means what is going on these days. So whatever is going on these days, that is continuous, and that's why we'll use present continuous tense. You ever meet him before? You ever meet him before? Question mark. क्या तुम उससे पहले मिले हो? दिस बिफोर क्या बताता है? आज से पहले कभी मिले हो? सो इट इज कनेक्टिंग टू नाउ. पहले कभी मिले हो मीन्स आज इस पल से पहले आप कभी उसे मिले हो. सो दिस इज कनेक्टिंग टू नाउ. वेन एवर समथिंग कनेक्ट्स टू नाउ, it is always perfect tense, present perfect tense. All right, in present perfect we use has or have plus third form of the verb. So since it is interrogative question, in interrogative has and have helping verb will be used at first. So you with you will use have. Have you ever met? Have you ever met him before? So this before tells us that this is present perfect. Why? By this before we just connect the situation, okay, to this present moment, to now. Got it? He not do anything since morning. He not do anything since morning. सुबह से वह कुछ नहीं कर रहा है और कुछ नहीं किया है. All right? He not do anything since. सुबह से कुछ नहीं किया है. टाइम दिया है since. So he has not done anything since morning. सुबह से उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया है. सुबह से उसने means till this moment. So since morning till this moment. So again present perfect tense. Got it? Then they play cards for 2 hours. वे लोग 2 घंटे से कार्ड्स खेल रहे हैं. 2 घंटे पहले कार्ड्स खेलना शुरू हुआ था और दे आर स्टिल प्लेइंग, वो अभी भी खेल रहे हैं. ऑल राइट. सो सी विच इज दिस टेंस? दिस इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. एज आई टोल्ड यू, इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस वी स्टडी द सेंटेंसेज, okay, like the action or activity that started in the past and the same action or activity is going on and it is likely to be continued ahead as well. 2 घंटे से खेल रहे, अभी आगे कितना खेलेंगे वी डोंट नो, बट राइट नाउ दे आर ऑल्सो प्लेइंग. अभी भी वो लोग खेल रहे हैं. अनदर थिंग, वी शैल हैव टाइम ऑलवेज जनरली इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. 2 घंटे से, एंड हियर वी हैव यूज 4. गॉट इट? सो दे प्ले कार्ड्स फॉर 2 hours. वे लोग 2 घंटे से खेल रहे हैं. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस वी यूज have been V1 ing or has been V1 ing. All right. So here it is they. So with they we use have. They have been playing cards for 2 hours. I be to Delhi twice. See, once, twice, thrice. मैं 2 बार दिल्ली गया हूँ. मीन्स आज तक, अभी तक मैं 2 बार दिल्ली गया हूँ. 2 बार दिल्ली गया मीन्स दिस मोमेंट, अभी तक. सो समवेयर आई एम कनेक्टिंग दिस सिचुएशन टू नाउ, दिस मोमेंट. सो इट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. सो आई हैव, बी फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकेंड फॉर्म वॉज वर, थर्ड फॉर्म बीन. सो आई हैव बीन टू दिल्ली ट्वाइस. मैं दिल्ली 2 बार हुआ हूँ या 2 बार गया हूँ. गॉट इट? क्लियर? The next sentence, I not see him since Monday last. मंडे लास्ट, पिछले मंडे से मैंने उसे नहीं देखा, मीन्स सिंस मंडे लास्ट टिल दिस मोमेंट, इसके बाद अभी तक नहीं देखा, मीन्स इस पल तक नहीं देखा, इस मोमेंट तक मैंने उसे नहीं देखा है। गॉट इट? सो अगेन इट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, सो आई हैव, and since it is not, we will use here not as it is, and see, so seen, I have not seen him since Monday last, मैंने उसे पिछले मंडे से नहीं देखा है। Dear students, the more you practice, okay, the more you'll get used to it, means your concepts regarding each tense will be clearer, okay, the more you practice, जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे टेंसेस के कॉन्सेप्ट इतने ही अच्छे क्लियर होंगे। ऑल राइट, आई होप यू मस्ट हैव गॉट इट, यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड इट। प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, एंड बिफोर प्रैक्टिसिंग वंस अगेन यू रिवाइज द टेंस, प्रेजेंट टेंस दैट आई हैव टॉट यू। ऑल राइट, वी शैल हैव वन मोर एक्सरसाइज बिफोर वी मूव टू नेक्स्ट टेंस। ऑल राइट, सो आई होप you must have understood it. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next video. Goodbye.